Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you this ring that was given to me by my sister. It's Art Deco inspired. And today we're actually going to be doing a Betsey Johnson haul. Our first item is a charm necklace, and you can see it has a parrot, an enamel parrot, and some purple beads, and a rhinestone charm. Our next item is another charm necklace, and we have a bow charm, a heart, and a faux clock. Very pretty. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. I mainly do jewelry hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Next, we have this beautiful skull necklace, and it's very cool, very nice. Up next we have a dainty bow necklace. Very cute. Now if you're interested in purchasing anything from the video, you can just send me an email, and I put my email address in the description down below. Next we have an owl necklace with a bow charm and another charm. I can't make it out. Up next we have a 3-layer necklace, and it's mixed metals. And we have a lot going on with this necklace. We have some rhinestones, some pearls, and some plastic hearts. Very pretty. I like the hearts. Up next we have this very long necklace with a sizable lock. It's very heavy. Very nice. The condition looks pretty good on this one. I really like the mint color of the lock. That's very nice. Next we have a bracelet with what looks like some cloth woven through the metal, and it has a couple of heart charms, and it is a toggle closure. Next we have a cute watch with a gold toned chain and also leather strap. There's the back. I think it just probably needs a battery. And it says genuine leather. Okay, so next is this other beautiful watch, and I think this is my favorite piece from today's video. And I just really love these pink stones. They're really pretty. And it's in excellent condition. Very nice. What was your favorite piece from today's video? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, we have a pair of new earrings with rhinestones. Very nice. Up next we have a really cute pair of cat earrings. Really cute. And they actually have stones for eyes, which is really interesting. Kind of cool. And next we have a mismatched earring set, and we have a whistle on one earring and lips on the other. It's pretty cool. Next we have another pair of earrings with flowers, beads, and rhinestones. Very pretty. And finally we have another pair of earrings with bows, and the bows are actually metal, which is pretty cool. Very nice. Festive. Okay, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!